my God, bro. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, everyone? Okay, I have a confession to make. Right, so I've done a reaction to n.SSign, right? And I've went wormhole, cool. But I've made a mistake that I thought it was North Korea. You guys are from, but it's not, it's South Korea. All this time I thought it was North Korea, right? Because I've read an article or I read a Wikipedia about the n.SSign guys, right? And it wasn't North Korea, it was South Korea, right? So my apologies, my mistake, and I hope you guys forgive me. Okay, so you guys have shown so much love on my previous reaction called Wormhole. No, I'll be giving my next reaction because you guys seems to be so great, so kind, so amazing. It's just so nice to see you all showing so much support to a Jamaican guy, right? Okay, so I'll be reacting to n.SSign Happy, and it's a music video. Okay, so this song is entitled Happy. So guys, without further ado, let's go back into South Korea and not North Korea, right? So peace. Let's see what's up. Well, okay. Let's get it a little bit more louder. Yeah, more like it. Well, I love it so far. Love the voice so far. So let's continue. English. Damn, bro. It's in English, bro. To be honest, no disrespect to any South Korean listeners, but I never knew that South Koreans speak English, bro. To be honest, like, damn, bro. It's. Oh yes, you guys should have speak English because you guys understand what I'm saying. But damn, it's so cool to see you guys singing in English, bro. It's wow, wow, wow. Mm, 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 mm. Wow. Yo, what an awesome story, bro.
Cause I can let it go. Tell me what you wanna know. Yeah, I miss you every day.
Wow. Tell me what you wanna know. Yeah, I miss you like every day, bro. It's so solid. Truth. Alright, bro. This song is realistic. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This song is all about making this guy happy. She's making this guy happy. Right? It's all about happiness, bro. I mean, like, whoa. At the end of the day, bro, oh my God, bro, she's making us happy. I mean, like, damn. She's making me happy. She's making him happy. Right? Damn. Damn, bro. It's beautiful. Wow. Wow. The dance, bro. The dance. Wow. The formation. Wow. The music video. Wow. These G's. Wow. They are all getting a fat. Wow. Bro. Keep it coming, bros. I mean, like, yes, stand for more. Stand for more. Stand for. To be honest, it's a solid 10 for me. I have to give it the credit that it should get. It's a solid 10 for me. 10 out of 10 song. Everything is just fitting the criteria of the song and the entire video, bro. The dance moves, the singing, the combination of voices. Let's say they are melodious. Each individual plays an important role, and the importance of that role is melodious, bro. Astounding. Just astounding. This was a very great song. Music video as well. Happy. This makes me so happy. Guys, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.